What is good YouTube? Gary Yaman here, and in today's video I'm going to talk about the Sony A6000 and the best JPEG settings for it to achieve the best image quality possible. So let's dive into this thing right here. Going to change the screen and then we go further into that. First of all, change the main dial to M, which is the menu mode. I'm going to dive into the menu itself. Let's go to the first icon, which is right there, which is the camera icon, and then we go straight into the settings that we need to change for the best image quality. Of course, the quality is fine, which is then the JPEG. This will be all okay. For me, I like to use the continuous autofocus instead of the single point autofocus, or this one, the single shot AF. I will use the continuous autofocus, and then we go to the settings that we need to change. So what I like to do first is set up the ISO, either set it up manually or leave it at ISO 100 to 400. In this way the image quality, or at least the image grain, will be not visible. And then the first thing we're going to change is the white balance. As you see here, I have the white balance at auto. You press on it, auto, and as you can see, I have it here at A1 and M1. And in order to get there, so first of all, it will be like this. It will be both at 0. You go to the right and you go down. And you press the button here. That's the first step, which is very important. And then the dynamic range optimizer, this one I've set to level 3, and just click on it and then you press on the right or left, and this is level 3. Creative style, I've selected light, and the contrast is 0, and the saturation is 0, and then the sharpness is +3. And actually that is it. Alright guys, so there you have it. Make sure that your exposure is set up correctly, so make sure that your aperture, your ISO, and your shutter speed is set up correctly, so that you have the best exposure possible. I'm going to show you some photo examples. These are all straight out of camera, which I took this morning, and I hope you like it. And if you like this little video, smash the like button, comment down below if you are a Sony A6000 user, and subscribe if not already. Good luck.